Hi, this is Jackie from FLEXIFORGED. In this video, wheel offset will be explained in a simple way, and a fitment checklist will be given, so a custom forged wheel RFQ can be sent with fewer revisions. If you buy wheels for a tuning shop, a dealer, or a wheel brand, this is one of the fastest ways to avoid rubbing, vibration, and delays. Section 1. What wheel offset means. Offset is the distance between the wheel centerline and the mounting pad. Offset is usually shown as ET in millimeters, like ET35. This is the standard unit used worldwide. Positive offset plus ET. The mounting pad is closer to the outside face, so the wheel is pulled inward toward the car. Negative offset, ET. The mounting pad is closer to the inside barrel, so the wheel is pushed outward. Zero offset, ET0. The mounting pad sits exactly on the wheel centerline, providing a balanced position. A small ET change can move the wheel a lot. That is why offset is one of the first numbers to confirm. Section 2. What backspacing means. Backspacing is another way to describe wheel position. It is the distance from the mounting pad to the inner edge of the wheel on the suspension side. Backspacing is often used in North America, especially for trucks and off-road builds, and is shown in inches. Offset and backspacing describe the same fitment, just with different reference points, but one warning is needed. Wheel width is usually advertised as bead seat width, like 20 by 10. The overall width is about 1 inch wider. So numbers can look right, but clearance can still be wrong if the full physical spec is not provided. Section 3. Fitment is controlled by 4 clearances. When a custom wheel is planned, check these 4. First, inner clearance. Struts, coilovers, and inner liners can be hit if the wheel sits too far inward. Second, outer clearance. This is the fender side. Fender lips and bumper tabs can be hit if pushed too far out. Third, brake and caliper clearance. This is the most common surprise. Spokes can hit the caliper. That is why a brake template is often requested, especially for cars with big brake kits. Fourth, hub and center bore fit. Center bore and hub-centric fit matter for vibration control. If the center bore is not correct, vibration complaints can be created even if the offset is correct. Section 4. Most common RFQ mistakes. Here are the mistakes that usually cause delays. Mistakes like giving offset without width or missing tire sizes, which leads to predicted sidewall rubbing. Not declaring brake kits and mixing up front and rear specs on staggered setups. Forgetting suspension changes like coilovers, and mixing units like ET millimeters and backspacing inches. Section 5. Fitment checklist. For a fast quote, provide these items in your RFQ. Part A. Vehicle details. Make, model, year, and trim, including your region, is also very helpful. Part B. Current setup, current wheel and tire sizes, front and rear, and any spacers used. Part C. Target setup, target wheel size, offset, and tire size with units clearly labeled. Target look, flush, tucked, or aggressive, and your concave goal, mild, medium, or deep. Part D. Constraints, brake kit brand, suspension type, and if the fenders are stock or modified. Part E. Wheel technical specs, bolt pattern, center bore, lug type, load requirements, and TPMS. Section 6. A clean spec format. A clear format should be used to reduce misunderstandings. For example, front 20 by 9.5, ET35, PCD 5 by 1 and 12, CB 66.6, with a tire size of 255, 35 R20. And rear 20 by 11, ET45, PCD 5 by 112, CB 66.6, with a tire size of 295, 30 R20. If a custom forged wheel project is planned, send us your checklist. Visit flexiforgewheel.com to submit your RFQ. Comment checklist below to get a copy. Thanks for watching.